Adding extra functionality to your Joomla website is performed by downloading and installing a highly rated Joomla component, extension, or plugin. Find great Joomla extensions and read reviews and ratings at the Joomla Extensions Directory, or JED. Log in to the Joomla Administrator area. You can download and install extensions in the Joomla Administrator by going to Extensions, Manage, Install. This is where you'll install the downloaded extension. Click on the Install from Web tab to view and download more top-rated extensions. Joomla Components add powerful functionality. Some are free and some are purchased. If you pay for your extension, it usually comes with support for the term of the subscription. Paid components are usually subscription-based, and if you want to continue with support, you can resubscribe after the subscription is ended. You can continue to use the component after it expires, but only a current subscription allows you to download the latest release, which usually includes updates, new features, and bug fixes. Components include extensive event managers, social integrations, e-commerce, subscriptions, powerful media and image galleries. The list is extensive. You can bypass the default Joomla blogging component that uses articles by installing the K2 component. K2 offers more in-depth functionality and extensive display options for your blog and news style content. Along with components, you can also download and install extensions and plugins to the Joomla core, such as text editors, form builders, backup and restore software, support ticket software, SEO and optimization plugins, and slideshow displays. It may seem tempting to install a lot of free functionality. However, it's important to know that in this case, less is more. A website with a lot of extensions and components will slow your site down and can cause JavaScript issues. If you're serious about running a well-functioning, secure, and productive website, it's good practice to keep the number of extensions to a minimum and only choose the ones that you really need in order to serve your Joomla website's content. You'll find links and info on these resources in the notes below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.